Having fresh breath can change how you feel about your day. It allows you to speak, smile, and get close to others with a sense of ease and confidence. When you are not worried about how your breath smells, you can focus on the conversation and the connection. This simple aspect of our health has a profound impact on our social interactions and our self-esteem. Many people believe that managing bad breath, also known as halitosis, is a complex and difficult struggle. They may have tried various products or quick fixes with little success, leading to frustration and a feeling of helplessness. The reality, however, is often much simpler than it appears. The good news is that for most individuals, achieving consistently fresh breath is entirely within reach. It does not usually require expensive treatments or complicated procedures. Instead, it comes down to understanding the fundamental causes and adopting a few simple, consistent habits into your daily life. Think of it not as a battle, but as a practice of gentle, mindful care for your body. The most common source of bad breath, by a wide margin, starts right inside the mouth. Our mouths are complex ecosystems, home to hundreds of types of bacteria. Most of these are harmless, but some are not. Certain types of bacteria thrive on leftover food particles, dead cells, and other residues found on your teeth, gums, and especially your tongue. As these bacteria break down these particles, they release volatile sulfur compounds, or VSCs. It is these sulfur compounds that are responsible for the unpleasant, rotten egg-like smell we identify as bad breath. This process is completely natural, but it can get out of control without proper care. What we eat and drink also plays a significant and direct role. Foods with strong odors, garlic, onions, certain spices, contain pungent oils that can be exhaled from your lungs after digestion. If you need to improve your breath quickly, there are several simple actions you can take for immediate results. Drink a glass of water, swish the water around your mouth before you swallow. Staying hydrated fights dry mouth and bad breath. Water stimulates saliva. Not tor strine en daken skrinder trau bulba. Rothinda en strine. Make sipping water a regular habit throughout the day. Brush your teeth. If you can't do a full brush, a quick brush with just water helps. Floss. It removes trapped particles between teeth. Those hidden particles feed bacteria that release sulfur compounds. Scrape your tongue. A major source of odor is on the back third of the tongue. Use a dedicated tongue scraper, plastic or metal like copper, kept by the sink. Gently scrape from back to front 2 or 3 times. Chew sugar-free gum for a final quick refresh. Choose gum sweetened with xylitol. Look for the label. Chewing boosts saliva and gives a fast confidence boost when you can't brush. Your morning routine sets the stage for your oral health for the entire day. The very first thing you should do upon waking, even before drinking water, is to use your tongue scraper. Overnight, toxins and bacteria can accumulate on the surface of your tongue. This is a key reason why many people experience morning breath. Gently scrape your tongue from back to front a few times to remove that buildup. This simple, 10-second step is one of the most powerful habits for preventing bad breath. After scraping, brush your teeth. Use a soft bristled toothbrush to avoid damaging gums and enamel. Hard bristles can cause gum recession and wear away tooth enamel over time. One excellent choice is a wide head brush with soft, vegetable-derived bristles and a reusable handle to reduce plastic waste. Brush for a full 2 minutes with gentle circular motions, reaching all surfaces of every tooth. Next, floss. Flossing is essential for removing plaque and trapped food between teeth and under the gum line, prime spots for odor-causing bacteria. Finish with a therapeutic, alcohol-free mouthwash. Alcohol can dry the mouth and make bad breath worse. Section 5. The midday refresh. What you do after you eat, especially after lunch, plays a vital role in maintaining fresh breath throughout the afternoon. Food particles left in your mouth provide an immediate feast for odor-causing bacteria. The longer debris remains, the more time microbes have to release smelly sulfur compounds. The simplest and most effective post-meal action is to brush your teeth. Keep a travel-sized brush and paste at your desk, in your bag, or in a locker. If brushing isn't practical, vigorously rinse with plain water for 30 seconds, then swallow or spit. This dislodges larger particles and rehydrates your mouth. Follow with another glass to support saliva. Chewing sugar-free gum with xylitol is another excellent option. Chewing boosts saliva, rinses debris, and helps neutralize acids from your meal. Chew for 15 to 20 minutes until you can brush properly. Be mindful. Coffee dehydrates, sugary sodas feed bacteria, and sticky processed carbs cling to teeth. End meals with crunchy water-rich foods to help scrub away particles naturally. Your nighttime oral hygiene routine is arguably the most critical of the day. While you sleep, saliva production drops, creating a dry environment. Anaerobic bacteria that produce the worst odors can flourish for hours. Skipping a thorough clean before bed is like leaving a buffet out all night. Begin your nightly reset by flossing. Do not skip this step. Throughout the day, particles and plaque lodge between teeth and under the gum line. Flossing removes it. If string floss is difficult, consider dental picks, pre-threaded flossers, or a water flosser. After flossing, brush for 2 minutes with a soft brush and fluoride toothpaste, paying special attention to the gum line and all tooth surfaces. Gently brush your gums and the roof of your mouth to complete the clean. Finish with tongue scraping again. Removing the day's film drastically reduces bacterial load overnight. Starting the night in the cleanest state minimizes odor production while you sleep. There is a great deal of misinformation surrounding bad breath which can lead people to use ineffective strategies. One of the most common myths is that mouthwash is a cure for bad breath. Most cosmetic mouthwashes only mask odor for about an hour, and alcohol can dry the mouth. A therapeutic rinse helps, but it never replaces brushing, flossing, and tongue scraping. Another myth: bad breath means a serious disease. Truth: about 90% starts inside the mouth, often hygiene and tongue buildup. Cupping your hands and exhaling is unreliable. Try licking a clean wrist, let it dry 10 seconds, then smell. Brushing alone isn't enough. A comprehensive routine is necessary for truly fresh breath. While most cases resolve with improved oral hygiene, seek help if you've been consistent for several weeks with no improvement. Schedule your dentist. They will check for gum disease, decay, cracked fillings, or appliances trapping bacteria, and treat underlying problems. If teeth and gums are healthy, your dentist may recommend your primary care physician. Your doctor can investigate sinus issues, tonsillitis, postnasal drip, GERD, or metabolic disorders like uncontrolled diabetes. Treating the primary medical condition is necessary to eliminate the bad breath. Achieving and maintaining fresh breath is about small, consistent habits that create a healthy oral environment. Hydrate often. Drink plenty of water to keep your mouth moist and wash away debris. Scrape your tongue every morning and evening to remove bacterial buildup. Brush properly for 2 minutes, twice a day. Floss daily. Clean between teeth every single night. Rinse smart. Neutralize bacteria without causing dryness. Be mindful of diet. Limit odor-causing foods, and finish with crunchy fruits and vegetables. Consistency beats complexity. Start small, build step by step, and move through your day with renewed confidence and ease.